up, buddy?
I said don't take a video.
Huh? All right, go find some nanita? Clamshell. Let's see what you got. Oh, you actually got one. Oh, there's nothing inside.
Yeah, well, of course.
Water is so clear. Look at that. Ilog. Ilog. You're gonna go to the water. Look out. This water is cold.
What is that?
This is ski. What is it called?
Ski.
Yeah, ski.
That wasn't the ski. That's a just.
Jet ski.
See, dude.
I got half of that.
Can't breathe. It's cold.
Cold water. It's cold.
I think I'm stepping.
What? It's not that deep. Come on.
Goosebumps.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
No, I think I'll pass. Lift your phone up.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's totally a good idea.